Hi YouTube, it's SJ here and I'm back with another sneaker unboxing, and it's a dunk that's not a Nike SB dunk. You've seen the title, you know what it is. I've got to undo them because they actually came from Nike, people. Yes they did. Right, let's pull for freshness. Whew. So something happened that never happens to me. I got early access to something in the Nike app and I went for it thinking, yeah, I'm probably not going to get them, so it doesn't matter, but of course I got them. So I've got the Nike Winter Solstice Women's Dunk. Let's do what we normally do. Let's go to this camera. Mr. B, I'm being told to do something with my hair because I've got hat hair and it's all gone a bit flat and funny. There we go. No, bit better, bit better. So these are the women's Nike Dunk Low NH. NH, what does that stand for? Don't know. They are Team Orange. They are a UK 6, which is a US 8.5, and they are a European 40, and they are the Winter Solstice Dunk. Now, I know lots of people weren't keen on these, and we looked at them on Sneaker Streamer Sundays, but I was like, I'm going to give it a go. Let's see what they're like. And, whoa. Oh, people. You know what? I'm going to let you into a little secret. I really wanted to not like these because I wanted to send them back because I didn't really want to spend the money on them, I'm going to be honest. But first look, they are pretty nice. Right, which camera do you want me to come to, Mr. B? Let's look at these. Tappy, tappy, get it in focus. Tappy, tappy. Look at that. Now, I've been saying for ages that I want like a new reddish colour sneaker. Like my red and white blazers are just trashed. I can't even wear them now, they're that disgusting. And I sort of thought these could vaguely become an everyday sneaker. Now there is so much detail on these. Let's bring it right in. Now these represent the winter solstice, which isn't till, is it the 21st, I think? Because summer solstice is on the 21st of June, because that was my dad's birthday, which is the longest day. And then obviously winter solstice is the shortest day, which means we're plunged into darkness and depths, and I hate winter, absolutely hate it. So I thought winter solstice sneakers, they're nice and bright and I need cheering up because I hate winter, and there we go. So there's lots of details on these. Beautiful reds and oranges and pinks. Look at all the embroidery. The suede on them looks really, really nice as well. Mr. B, you might need to lift that up, sorry. I feel a long, long way away from the camera, so Mr. B is doing this. So look at that lovely suede, which is actually quite nice. And all of that stitching just really sets these off. That golden, you know, you get that golden hue in the winter. And the Nike, what does the knee look like? The knee doesn't look too bad. It's not perfect. Yeah, it's terrible actually. Let's not look at that. Let's not look at that. So for moving the sneaker around, yeah, these are just nice. And I actually didn't want to like them. What's the leather looking like, Mr. B? Who is looking at them behind the camera there. And I'm going to bring it in because he didn't answer me. The leather, it's not the best. It's not the worst. I'm just going to bring that in so you can see the toe box there. It's a really nice sort of nudie peach. Well, nudie peach, what am I on about? Yeah, it is sort of quite nice actually. It's not bad. The suede's nice. It's way nicer than I was expecting it to be. Mr. B is actually stuck behind the camera because there's all sorts of crap and boxes on the floor that we've yet to tidy up, and he's like contorted himself as if it was a game of Twister behind the camera. But yes, these are nice. Very, very nice indeed. Look at the sole. You've got a nice red sole there as well. And inside it does actually say, which camera should we go to? Are you going to... can you pick that up? So you've got 21st, 12, 21, which is the winter solstice. So I'm guessing at 15:59 the sun will set. Wow. There we go. Darkness. Don't like it. Don't like it, people. Still on this camera. Another shambolic unboxing from me. You got pink laces as well in there. This sort of peachy pink. And I'm just going to look at the other one. I just want to show you as well the tongue on these. Mr. B did this behind the camera. Which one are we on? We're on the middle one. I just want to show you the tongue. So you've got, again, the date stitched in on this one. You've got this really nice sort of, it's like plush, plumped satin almost, like padded with the sunburst there. And on this one, you've just got the stripes. The stripes are sort of, again, that plush sort of satin padded, and it just says Nike with gold stitching. So these are actually really, really nice. I'm just having another look. Look at the swoosh as well. I'm not sure if you can pick this up in the light, but they're kind of got this sort of mottled effect, and they've got a sheen to them in parts. Can you see that? There's lots and lots and lots of details on here, and it feels, so it's almost like, this is going to sound really weird, like that pearlized effect that was on the Marionette. God, don't make me say it again. It's kind of like the material, that coating that was on the Jordans. That is kind of what they've put on the swoosh to give it that finish. But yeah, I quite like these, and I really didn't want to like them. I don't normally go in for non-SB dunks. I only have one pair of non-SB dunks, and they're a APC collab from years ago. So what are we thinking, people? What are we thinking on these? I'm just seeing if there's any other details inside. No, this one just says Nike. There's no spare laces. So just the one set of laces. And I've got to say, the laces, whilst it's a nice colour, they're a bit cheap, should we say it? I don't know. I think some of the rounder, you know, the laces that you get in dunks may have looked nice on these. Maybe I will swap out, or get Mr. B behind the camera, to swap out the pink laces from my pink pigs and put them in here, maybe? I don't know, but we'll see. We will see. So what do we think? What do we think? Mr. B, are you liking these behind the camera? Oh God, he's gave him the thumbs up. And what are you... Disaster as always. So what do you guys think out there of these? Because as I said, not everybody liked these when we showed them on Sneaker Streamer Sunday, but I think they're actually a really, really nice sneaker. So let us know in the comments down below, and if you haven't already, give this video a old thumbs up. It really does help us. And if this is the first time watching one of these videos and you've made it this far, thank you. We also do Sneaker Streamer Sunday every Sunday, which is 8 PM in the UK, 12 PM on the West Coast, 3 o'clock on the East Coast, where we talk about sneakers and things. We look at what's in the news, look at things like this before they're even out. So come along and join us. We're a friendly old bunch, and yeah, that's every Sunday. So yeah, leave us a comment. Did you like them? Did you not like them? It's all cool. Let us know your thoughts on these, and we will see you in the next upload. But before I go, there's probably another very shambolic unboxing video by me or Mr. B behind the camera being recommended to you just about here. So go and take a look at one of those.